To create the image that you will need to put into your photo story, you're first going to go ahead and create an image based on a slide in PowerPoint. So you'll need to click on the Start menu, All Programs, Applications, go and open PowerPoint. When you get into PowerPoint, it starts with an automatic title slide. We'll need to change the layout by clicking the Layout button and selecting an alternate layout. I'd recommend the 2 content layout. I need to title the slide. I'm doing Tools and Technology in Ancient Egypt. Now I need to add text. At this point, you'll spend time typing it. I have some text I've already put together, and my text talks about one of the major technological advances of irrigation. I'm going to now need to find a picture to add to my slide. In order to do that, I will click Start, All Programs, number 7 Media, Online Resources, and then you're going to select ImageQuest. ImageQuest is a database of all images. It's got tons of different types of images in it, everything from nice plain black and white drawings to full color pictures. It also has artwork and scenic images. So I'm going to use Ancient Egypt irrigation as my search term and click Go. As you can see, I have 16 results that came up, and I'm looking at 15 out of that 16. So I can take a look and see if there's anything I'm interested in. There's a water wheel, but I think that's a little bit later. This I do know is from the time period that I am going to be using. So I'm talking about ancient Egypt. This is a good image. I can right click on the image and save the picture. You can save it into your My Pictures folder, and you want to probably call it Egypt Photo, and click Save. Now that we've done that, we can close ImageQuest and go back into our PowerPoint. Over here on the right hand side, you can insert many things. One of them is this one right here, which is Insert a Picture. I'm going to click on that. Notice how it put it in My Pictures folder, and I did call it Egypt Photo. There it is. I'm going to click right there, and I'm going to insert that into my picture. You can certainly make it a little bit larger if you like, and you can even change the background design of your slide if you would possibly like it to be a different color. Let's see, maybe I'll choose blue. It adds a little bit of blue to the top, adding some extra color. Now that I have what I would like to see on my slide, I'm ready to save my slide. You're going to click File, Save As. It will save it as Tools and Technology, but it's currently saving it as a PowerPoint. As I said, we need to make this an image. You're going to click on this arrow and navigate down using the down arrow until you see JPEG File Interchange Format. Click on that. It's saving it in your My Documents folder. You need to actually save it in there, and then we're going to save it to a second location. Save it into your My Documents first. Click Save. And it will ask you, do you want every slide or the current slide only? If you have more than one slide, just do every slide. If you only have one slide, do current slide only. And it will then generate a JPEG of this slide. I said we have to save it twice, once into your My Documents, and now we need to put it into a place where we can add it to our photo story. So we need to go to Save As again, click on My Computer, and then you're looking for the S drive or Students on EW820/data. We're going to click on that and open that up. You need to then double click on S Shared and then LMC. And notice I've made folders for all of your teachers and their class periods. So if you're in Ms. Giron's second period class, you're going to open this up. Figure out what group you are. If you are in group A, open that up. Again, don't forget to make the slide a JPEG. It will automatically always revert back to a PowerPoint. So here's JPEG. And then you're going to save it in there. And you can tell it current slide only again if you only have one slide. If I then navigate back to my computer and S Shared, and I go into S Shared again, LMC, and then I choose Giron 2 and A, I will see that my picture, Tools and Technology, which is my slide, is right there. So that's how you go about creating your image to place in the photo story.